What happens to a mortgage after someone passes away? Like, who makes those payments? What's the obligation? Is it required to just be paid off or refinanced? Well, generally, when somebody passes away with real estate that is subject to a mortgage, the mortgage just transfers with the property. So whoever receives the property has the obligation to continue to pay the mortgage. Now, that could be outright, meaning the interest in the property is passing to an individual through an estate, by will, through a testacy, something like that. Or it could be through a trust where the trustee is maintaining the property for any number of beneficiaries. Generally, the mortgage company cannot require that that mortgage be refinanced or paid off as long as it's continuing to be paid when it comes due. So normal monthly payments. That's really important in this current mortgage environment where a lot of people got really low interest rate mortgages in 2020, 2021, and want to make sure that we can keep those. And so as long as the beneficiary or the trustee of a trust is continuing to pay those payments, the mortgage just stays in place, just continues on. We're able to make transfers of real estate that is subject to a mortgage to a few different beneficiaries during our lifetime as well. It could be intrafamilial transfers like to a spouse or to a child. It could be death-based transfers, or what's more common in estate planning is we move a home subject to a mortgage into the name of a revocable trust or an irrevocable trust that has a right of residence to the mortgage holder. Any of those types of transfers are 100% okay under the Garn St. Germain Act. So we can do a lot of meaningful planning even if you do have a mortgage.